Make searching for photos easier with keywords and location tagging. Howdy y'all, in this video I'm going to show you how to assign keywords and GPS coordinates to your photos, and also how we can adjust the time or date. And I'll show you or explain to you why this is worth taking a look at. Okay, so let's start with why it's worth doing any of this. I've already got Zoner Studio open, and if you expand the catalog in the left panel, you can see that calendar, keyword, and location view are right there. This is where you can find photos that are in your catalog, and they're going to be sorted by the information that you assign them. This way, you don't have to go through your folders and remember where they are. Curious about how the catalog works and how to search and navigate it? Well, you'll find a video right here, or you'll find a link in the description. Now let's take a look at how to assign different types of data to your photos, starting with date and the time they're taken at. Most of your photos already include this information because your camera saves the date and time automatically, but some photos might not, and especially if they were downloaded or exported without any metadata. In that case, they're going to show up in your catalog under folders without any specific date. Now to assign or edit the date or time, select a photo, right-click it, and then choose File Information. Click on the camera icon, and then under Time or Date Information, double-click Create. Now you can enter the correct date and the time the photo was taken. If you want to edit multiple photos at once, select them and go into the right panel. Under Batch Operations, choose Batch Edit EXIF. Click Date and Time, check Set Picture Taken, Time and Date, and then select the date in the first calendar. Now let's move on to assigning keywords. In the right panel, you'll see the description section. You can rate photos and add a title, description, and keywords. And if you want to learn how to use star ratings to help organize your photos, we've made a video on this already. You'll find the link here, but also in the video description. Let's get back. Type keywords that describe your photo in this field and search for photos in the catalog. You can also assign keywords directly in the navigator by right-clicking Keyword View and selecting New Keyword. You can create a keyword hierarchy using parent keywords. For example, I add a parent keyword called furniture, and then I'm going to right-click it and select New Keyword. And I'm going to do this to add keywords like table, chair, bed, and so on. Now you can drag keywords directly from the catalog to the photo to assign them. Personally, I prefer using the right panel because you can assign the entire hierarchy right there. Now let's take a look at this example. With this photo of my dog, I'm just going to type in his name, which is Bernie, and then Zoner Studio suggests either the standalone keyword or the full hierarchy with parent words like animals, dog, Maltese, Bernie, and so on. Assigning keywords might seem like a little extra work, but trust me, once you get the hang of it, it's going to save you a lot of time when searching for photos later. Yes, it's going to take a little effort up front, but it's really going to pay off. Now you can also assign keywords during import, which is also going to save you a lot of time down the road. If you don't know how import works, check out this video on the Manager module and it'll help you guide through it. You'll also find a link in the description. Now let's take a look at GPS data and how to assign it. The GPS section is right here below the keyword field, and you can assign GPS data by loading a track log or click Switch to Map to open the map mode. Now you can also open map mode in the middle bar next to the browser, and in the search box, just type the location you want to assign and then drag one or more photos from the film strip to that particular spot on the map. Let's say that I want to see where in California I've already assigned locations. I'm going to select California in location view and switch to map mode. At first, I don't see anything because only the main California folder is selected. So I'm going to go to quick search and check include subfolders. Boom. Now I see all the locations on the map and where my photos are tagged with that particular GPS data. So that's how to assign dates, keywords, and locations in the catalog. Be sure you try this at home so that you can quickly see how it's going to help you save time. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and let us know what you think in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.